All right, boys and girls, welcome to Primary Central Classroom's e-learning by Miss Williamson. And today we're going to be doing science. And in science, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look over our keywords and our vocabulary. Then we're going to do our video about sound. And then after that, you might need a pencil and piece of paper and so we could take our quiz. Now, in this video titled, What's That Sound?, we're going to listen up to find out how you hear sounds all around. That's right, we're going to be listening to different instruments and the sounds that they make. Our first thing we're going to do is go over our vocabulary. So our first vocabulary word is eardrum. Now, an eardrum is found inside of your ear. And if you look at this picture right here, this is the eardrum right here. It's a thin covering that covers your ear, the inside of your ear. Now, you may have used a Q-tip before to go inside of your ear to clean out the wax in your ear. So you have your ear right here, and you may put the Q-tip in this tunnel. Well, at the end of this tunnel in your ear, that's your eardrum. That's what the sound comes in from the outside, goes through the tunnel, and then it hits the eardrum, so you're able to hear different sounds. Okay, the next word is instruments. Now, instruments could be anything. It could be the drums that you use, it could be a tambourine, it could be a piano. Anything that makes noise or maybe makes music is an instrument. Our next word is sound. Now, a sound is anything that makes noise. Now, a sound could either be really, really high or really, really low. Now, if a sound has a really, really high tone, it has a pitch, a high pitch, but it has a low, 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 low sound, then it has a low pitch. Now, what makes a sound have a high pitch or a low pitch? That's where these two words come in, vibrate and vibration. Now, whenever something makes noise, when a sound is making noise, it's pushing the air around it. Now, the air around it is either shaking really, really, really fast or the air is shaking really, really slow. Now, if the air around the sound is shaking really, really fast, it means it's vibrating really, really fast. And so it would have a high pitch. But if the sound makes the air around it shake really slow, then it has a low pitch because the air is vibrating slowly. And so the act of the air actually vibrating is called vibration. Okay? All right, now that we've went over our vocabulary words, now it's time to look at our video. So just give me a second and we'll start that in just a few seconds. All right, and so now I'm going to try to mesh play and we're going to listen to the video, okay?
You ready? Let's go!
What's that sound? Can you hear that sound? It's getting louder and louder. Someone's playing the cymbals. How does that smashing sound get from the cymbals to your ears? All sounds start with a vibration. When something vibrates, it moves back and forth very quickly. Everything that makes a noise is vibrating, even if you can't see it. The skin on a drum is stretched very tight. When you hit it, it vibrates back and forth very fast. The air around the drum skin vibrates too. This air travels to your ear. When the vibrating air hits your eardrum, your ear sends the sound to your brain. That's when you hear the sound. Some things vibrate slowly. You can see a washing machine vibrate. When something vibrates slowly, it makes a low-pitched noise, like a cow's moo or a boat's horn. Some things vibrate so fast that you can barely see them, like a hummingbird's wings. Things that vibrate fast make high-pitched sounds, like an alarm or a whistle. Instruments are the same way. The air that comes out of some instruments vibrates slowly and makes a low-pitched sound. air that comes out of other instruments vibrates fast. That makes high-pitched sounds. Next time you're listening to your favorite song, think about how the sound goes from the speakers to your ears. The key is vibrations, and that's science you can hear.
All right, boys and girls, so that wraps up our video. So I'm going to exit the full screen, and then now you're going to grab your pencil and your paper, and we're going to do our quiz. Okay. Number 1 says, when something vibrates, it blinks. A, moves back and forth. B, stays still. Or C, gets bigger. Number 1, when something vibrates, it blank, moves back and forth. Or when something vibrates, it stays still. Or when something vibrates, it gets bigger. Which one? A, B, or C? That's right, it's A. Number 2, everything that makes a noise vibrates. Is it A, true, or B, false? Number 2, everything that makes a noise vibrates. Is it A, true, or B, false? A, it's true. That's right. Good job. Number 3, how does the sound get from a vibrating drum to your ear? A, the drum moves closer to your ear. B, the air around the drum vibrates too. Or C, the air around the drum stays still. Number 3, how does the sound get from a vibrating drum to your ear? Is it A, the drum moves closer to your ear? B, the air around the drum vibrates too? Or C, the air around the drum stays still? A, B, or C? Good job. And that's right. Let's move on to the next one. Number 4, something that vibrates slowly makes blank. Is it A, a low-pitched sound, B, a high-pitched sound, or C, no sound at all? Number 4, something that vibrates slowly makes a low-pitched sound, or something that vibrates slowly makes a high-pitched sound, or something that vibrates slowly makes no sound at all? That's right. A, good job. Number 5, something that vibrates quickly makes A, a low-pitched sound, B, a high-pitched sound, or C, no sound at all. Number 5, something that vibrates quickly makes a low-pitched sound, or something that vibrates quickly makes a high-pitched sound, or something that vibrates quickly makes no sound at all. Which one? A, B, or C? That's right. Good job. And hey, look, I think we got a star because let's see. Great job. You got all the answers correct. So guys, that wraps up our lesson for today. Thank you for tuning in to Primary Central Classroom's e-learning by Ms. Williamson. Today we covered science, and in science we learned all about sounds and the different instruments that help make those sounds. Continue to like and subscribe for future educational videos. Tomorrow we should be doing a math lesson, so I'll try to get that uploaded tomorrow. And I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye-bye.